Hello students, so here we are again with another question, and the question is based on chemical equilibrium. So let's see what the question says. The forward rate constant for the elementary reversible gaseous reaction, the reaction is C2H6 in equilibrium with 2CH3 is, so this number 1.57 into 10 to the minus 3 per second is forward rate constant. Now what we are asked is, what is the rate constant for the backward reaction? So for this same reaction we are asked the backward rate constant at this temperature if 10 to the power minus 4 moles of CH3 and 10 moles of C2H6 are present in a 10 liter vessel at equilibrium. So using this data that we are given, moles of product, moles of reactant and volume, we can find out the concentration of reactant, product, and using concentration we can find out Kc. So let's try and solve this. So what do we know? We know that K equilibrium is rate constant for forward reaction upon rate constant for backward reaction. Also, this is the first thing. Also, what we know is that Kc for the given reaction, Kc for this reaction will be concentration of CH3 to the power 2 divided by concentration of C2H6. So using these, we need to find out the value of Kb. Kb is what we need to find. So to find Kc, we need the concentration of CH3 and concentration of C2H6. Let's try and find out. So concentration of CH3 will be moles of CH3 upon volume, which will become, see, the moles given for CH3 are 10 to the power minus 4 and volume is 10 liter. So this is 10 to the power minus 4 by 10, which gives us 10 to the power minus 5 moles per liter. Similarly, for C2H6, using the same formula, we check the moles are 10, the volume is also 10. So when we put in the values, moles of C2H6 upon volume of the container, we get 1 mole per liter as our concentration for the reactant C2H6. Therefore, using this data, this is 1, this is 2. Therefore, the value of equilibrium constant Kc is concentration of product, which is CH3 to the power 2 upon concentration of reactant, which is concentration of C2H6. Putting in the values, so this value for CH3 comes here, this value for C2H6 comes here. Putting in the values, you have 10 to the power minus 5 square upon 1, which gives you K equilibrium of Kc is 10 to the power minus 10. So here we get the value of Kc. So Kc is what we achieved, or K equilibrium is what we achieved. K forward is given in the reaction. So this is K forward here, and we need to find Kb. So now things become easy. So since K equilibrium is Kf by Kb, therefore use this value of K equilibrium, put it here. Use the value of K forward, put it here. So we get, therefore 10 to the power minus 10 is equal to, Kf will be copied from here. So this value of Kf will be copied. So Kf is 1.57 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by Kb. Now this is the equation that we need to rearrange and solve. Let's take this forward. We get Kb is equal to 1.57 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 10 to the power minus 10. If you solve this, the value of Kb comes out to be, the value of Kb will come out to be 1.57 into 10 to the power 7 liters per mole per second, and that gets us to the answer. This is our answer. So we can see in the options, this is option number 4 as our answer. So I hope this is clear. If not, just go through it once again. It's not that tough and this should be fairly clear to you.